Now we have to show that the given 4 points coordinates are concyclic. Concyclic means they are lying on the circle. General equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Now, since it passes through, now first point is 1, 0. Since it passes through 1, 0, so substituting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, what we are getting? 2g plus c is equal to negative of 1. Equation number 2. When x is, we are having 1 and 0. So, 1, 0, 2g as it is, 0 plus c is equal to 0. So, we can write 2g plus c is equal to negative of 1. Now, since it passes through, now it passes through 2 and negative of minus 7. Now, since it passes through means equation 1, these points lies in on equation 1. Okay. So, we are having four g negative of 14f plus c is equal to negative of 53. Third equation. Next point is 8, 1. Negative of 65. Fourth, now we are having 3 different equations with 3 different points. Equation number 2, equation number 3 and equation number 4. Now, solving equation 3 and equation 2, we get, when we are solving 3 and 2, then we are having g negative of 7f is equal to negative of 26. Fifth equation. Solving equation 4th and 3rd. Now, equation 4th is which one? This one, and 3rd is this one. Now, we are going to solve these 2 equations. Basically, what we are doing? We are just eliminating c. Now, solving 4th and 3rd, we are getting 3g plus 4f is equal to negative of 3. Sixth equation. So, basically we are having now from these first 3 equations, we have solved simultaneously 2 equations, first these 2 and then these 2, just to eliminate 2, so that we are getting 2 new equations with the variables g and f. Now, solving equation 6th and 5th. Now, you have to show it when you are solving, and I am doing directly these equations, because these are the some calculations you have to do it, either do on the rough side, but it should be on the same page, or on a directly like this one. So, we are having, now we are going to solve these 2 equations. So what we are having? G negative of 7f is equal to negative of 26 and 3G negative of 4f is equal to negative of 3. So this becomes what? This becomes 3G negative of 21f is equal to negative of 78 multiplying by 3, and this becomes 3G 4f negative of 3. Just changing the signs, what we are getting? These cancels. Negative of 25f is equal to negative of 75, f is equal to 3. Okay? Now, putting f is equal to 3 in equation 5, we get G is equal to negative of 5. Now, putting G is equal to negative of 5 in equation. Now we can put G here because we are not having f. So directly we can put G here. So we will be getting in equation, this is what equation 2, we are getting C is equal to 9. Negative of 10, positive of C, negative of 10 plus C is equal to negative of 1. So C is 9. Now substituting value of G, F and C in equation 1, we get required equation of circle. Now we are having x square plus y square, negative of 5, negative of 10x, positive of 3 plus 6y, and C is 9 is equal to 0. Now this is the equation of a circle. Now we have to show that all the 4 points are concyclic. Now putting x is equal to 9 and y is equal to negative of 6 in equation, we get, in which equation? In this equation. Okay, what we are getting? 81 plus 36 negative of 90 negative of 36 plus 9 is equal to 0, or 0 is equal to 0. Now 9 comma minus 6, 9 comma minus 6 satisfies the equation, hence all the points are concyclic.